Hi everyone, I'm Sandra and today we're going to be focusing on a basic flow to get you moving. This video is ideal for those who have never done yoga before or who are new to yoga, so let's begin. Alrighty everybody, we're actually going to get started in a standing position. We're going to start with a pose called mountain pose. So you're going to go ahead and just ground your feet down into the ground, and you're going to relax your arms down your sides. So thinking about posture and creating a nice long spine, you want to ground all four corners of your feet into the ground. You want to tuck your pelvis forward so we're not arching or sticking the booty back. You want to keep everything nice and long. You're going to naturally feel an engagement in your quads. And then you're going to start to lift from the lower belly, tucking in, really squeezing in, and then gently rolling the shoulders back, opening up your chest, and keeping your chin lifted. Take a nice big breath in. Exhale, relax the shoulders, stick all four corners of the feet into the mat. Again, take a big breath in, and breathe out. One more just like that. Breathe in and out. That's it. This time you're going to inhale, reaching your arms all the way up and above your head. Your palms are going to touch. You're going to lift up and out of the hips, grow about another centimeter. Try not to lock the knees here, but continue to feel that engagement in the legs. The four corners of the feet remain in contact with the mat. Take a big breath in. Exhale, forward fold. Another common pose that you'll see a lot in yoga. So forward fold, you want to make sure that the weight is forward in the balls of the feet. So there's a difference when you're all the way back here versus being all the way up here. It might feel like you're going to fall, but I promise you're not going to fall. You're going to stay right where you are. Again, really grounding yourself down, trying not to lock the knees, keeping the weight forward. Now your hands may not touch the ground, and that's okay. You want to let the weight go forward, keeping the weight in the balls of the feet, beginning to feel that decompression in the lower part of your spine. Relax your head and shake it. Yes. Maybe shake it. No. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, let it go. Halfway lift. You're going to create a nice flat spine. Your palms are going to come to the tops of the shins. You're going to press the shoulders back, and energy is going to shoot out through the crown of your head. So notice that there's a difference between keeping everything tucked in and forward versus really finding that length, keeping the weight in the balls of the feet, and again, your gaze is down on the mat. Relax, bring it forward, forward fold, and then plant the hands down onto the ground and press back to a high plank for a second and a breath, and you're gonna ease your way into downward facing dog. So again, keeping the hands evenly distributed and the feet are hip width distance apart. Do your best to press your heels down into the ground. Take a nice big inhale. That's it, take a nice big exhale. Good work. Again, breathe in. And let it go. Bring your gaze to the top of your mat and step your feet forward to meet your hands. Halfway lift, you've been here before. Exhale, forward fold. We're gonna move only a little faster, so go ahead and inhale, rise to the top. Your palms are going to meet at the top. Lifting up and out of the hips, big breath in. Exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift, flat spine, take a big breath in. Exhale as you press back to a high plank, lock in the belly. Hold for a breath, press back to downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet right and left, take a nice big breath in through the nose. Exhale, let it go. Good work. Again, big breath in. Exhale, breathe out. We're gonna try breath to movement, so bring your gaze to the top and step your feet forward. Halfway lift, flat spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise to the top. Palms meet, palms touch. Exhale, forward fold, bring it down. Halfway lift, big breath in. Exhale to a high plank, hold for a breath. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good work, you guys. Take a big breath in. Exhale, let it go. Again, breathe in. And exhale. Bring your gaze to the top and step your feet forward, coming down to a comfortable seat on your mat. Taking a moment, you can do those flows however many times as long as your body feels comfortable. And that is it. Good work. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to click subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos, and be sure to click one of the links below to check out some related flows. I will see you next time.